Welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Minimalist 2% Alpha Arbutin plus Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Quantity is 30 ml. Price is 549 rupees. This is available on Nykaa Mintra. Non-sponsored video. Made in India product. It targets acne marks, dark spots and uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, age spots, sun tan. Suitable for all skin types. Free from fragrance, silicones, sulfates, parabens, dyes, essential oil. Dermatologically tested, pH is 5.5 to 6.5. Alpha arbutin reduces the dark spots and blemishes. It is 9 times more effective than beta arbutin. It is one of the safest and effective skin brightening active compared to the other actives such as kojic acid. It inhibits melanin production. Safe to use daily. It is oil free, non comedogenic. How to use? After cleansing, apply 2 to 3 drops. Prefer to use in the evening. Wait for 2 minutes, then apply moisturizer. It shows effect in 4 to 5 weeks. Note: always do the patch test first. Here is my review. I have only acne prone skin. I had exhausted the whole bottle. It didn't reduce my acne marks or dark spots. Little bit hydrating, and you have to use it continuously to get the results. And sunscreen is must on the next day. It was very gentle, didn't give any irritation, didn't give any breakouts, and no tingling sensation, nothing. But feel quite costly because it did nothing on my skin. Means it didn't irritate it, so you can also give it a try. And but I will not buy this again. Very slow results. That's my review. If you are already using this product and it shows you results, then you can share in the comment section below. We are interested to know the results. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for taking care of your skin.